Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to enhance your cycling experience. Today, we're diving into the LotFancy 700C bike tubes, specifically designed for road bikes. If you're in the market for high-quality inner tubes, you're in for a treat because we believe these are the best 700 by 38C bike tire tubes available. These LotFancy bike tubes come in a pack of 2, with sizes suitable for a range of 700C tires, specifically from 35C to 43C. Whether you're cycling on smooth city streets or rugged trails, these tubes are engineered to fit tire widths from 28 by 1.35 all the way up to 28 by 1-5/8 by 1.5, making them incredibly versatile. Let's talk about the construction of these tubes. Made from high-quality butyl rubber, they are designed to withstand both heat and harsh weather conditions. This not only enhances durability but also ensures better airtightness. So, you can ride longer without worrying about constant air loss, allowing you to enjoy your ride without interruption. Installation is straightforward, but here are some quick tips to make it even easier. First, inflate the tubes slightly before installation to prevent any cracking or damage. It's essential to align the valve correctly, making sure it's at a 90-degree angle to the rim and that the nut is securely fastened. Once in place, double-check to ensure the tube isn't pinched between the rim and tire, and inflate it to the recommended pressure. Now, why should you choose LotFancy? Aside from their excellent build quality, these tubes have garnered positive feedback from users for their reliability. Many cyclists appreciate how they perform under various conditions, maintaining pressure longer than other brands. Plus, at a price point of around $14.49 for 2 tubes, they offer fantastic value. So whether you're a casual rider or an avid cyclist, the LotFancy 700C bike tubes are a great investment for your bike. With their robust construction and excellent fit for various tire sizes, they'll keep you rolling smoothly on your adventures. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more product critiques, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried these tubes? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and happy cycling!